Hello guys, this is Priyanka Dubey here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please go and like this video if you liked it and subscribe to it because I am working lot hard and there are like 92.8% of people who are non-subscribed and are watching the videos. So if you are taking some value, please go ahead and subscribe it, okay? So today's video is how you can create templates in Gmail so that you could save time uh, from typing the same thing over and again. So this is the Gmail. First you have to do is to go to the settings, and in the settings you just have to go ahead and you have to see all the settings, okay? After that you have to go into the advanced setting, and after that you have to enable this templates. So if it is disabled in your Gmail, make sure that is enabled and then save it, okay? So once you have done it, now you have to create the template. For creating the template you have to go into the compose, and then you can just type the subject, for example, uh, social media inquiry or whatever it is. Okay, so this is, I'm just creating my template. Hello, the name that you would put. Hope you are doing well. uh, the SMM services are as follow, and I would put my services over here. I'm just giving you an example, and once I'm done, thanks, uh, Priyanka. I do not need to do this because I have already created the signature. So if you do not have the signature, you can write it like this. And once you are done creating this template, whatever you want, you just have to click on these three buttons, and then you have to go into the templates, and then you have to save draft as template, okay? Once you have done, you just have to create save as new template, and you just have to name this template a name. So that's fine, you just have to save it and it's done. So now let's suppose that you have received one email and now you have to reply it with that template. So you will simply go ahead, you will type, and you will simply enter the Gmail address, and then you have to just go ahead into these three little buttons, and then you have to go into the templates, and you have to just put in this, and it will be done. And you just have to enter this Gmail address and you just have to send it. So it is as easy as it looks. It is very easy, it is time saving, and it is going to save you a lot of efforts as well. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section, share with your friends, and please do support this channel. So thank you for so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.